Okay, this video is for Matoska, and Matoska, you see the everything except the head of my little dog Moxie. Her name starts with an M also. And anyway, I was going to remind you that now instead of on the 4 lines that we had before, we have 4 spaces on the on page 13. And we're going to do that whole G scale, which starts on the 4th string, 0, 2, 4, 5 it says, and then it goes the same frets, 0, 2, 4, 5, on the 3rd string. And then it goes to the 2nd string, or the 2nd space from the top there, 0, 2, 3, 5. Then on the last string, the highest space, it has 0, 2, and that 3 with the circle around it. 2, 3, 4. So that last note, the reason there's only 3 in there, is because it lasts for 2 beats, or it's called a half note. It lasts for half the measure. And each of those first 2, 0 and 2s, on the last measure there, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that last 3rd fret on the 1st string lasts for 3 and 4, or 1 half note. All right, then you're going to keep working on Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and I want you to play it continuously. Get to the speed as quick as you can, each move. That's 4th fret, doesn't sound too good, does it? Okay. So 2nd twice, 1st twice, then twice on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And this is on your tablature. It's on the lines, written on the lines. I was going to write those on the spaces, and I didn't get a chance to. 4, 4, 2, 2, open, or 0. All right, so that is that Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Then we're going to work on maybe the first 2 measures of Yankee Doodle on page 14. And if you look at it, it starts in the 3rd space at the 5th fret, so that's the 3rd string at the 5th fret. And there's 2 of those. And then 1 on the open 2nd string, 2nd space from the top. And then on the 2nd fret, play with the 1st finger. So that's the way you want to practice, Matoska. You want to go, you want to play that, all downstrokes for now. Whoops. Practice that measure over and over again. And then when you get pretty good with that, then practice the 2nd measure, which starts on the same 5th fret of the 3rd string, just 1, and then it goes to the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and then open 2nd string, followed by open 3rd string. And that measure sounds like this, just the 2nd measure. Practice that over and over again. And then when you get them both, you can play each measure pretty well. Then try to put them together like this. 1, 2, here we go. And that's the first 2 measures of that. That should keep you going for a while, Matoska. Practice hard, and don't forget, we're going to start reading now. Except for the old stuff I already wrote out for you, we're going to start reading in the spaces, the 4 spaces in the book, okay? All the copies that I make for you of the book. On page 13 and 14, we're reading in the spaces, not on the lines anymore. All right, and that should do it.